Hello everyone, welcome back to Coordination. In this video, we'll be discussing about another interesting challenge, that is Flipkart Grid. So what is this Flipkart Grid? Flipkart Grid is basically a Flipkart flagship engineering campus challenge which provides you an opportunity to apply your technical knowledge and skills, and you can also compete with different people and different teams from all parts of the country. So we will be discussing everything about this challenge, so stay tuned till the end. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications, because we give updates on jobs and internships every day. So let's start our today's video. So as mentioned, Flipkart Grid is Flipkart flagship engineering campus challenge that provides you an opportunity to apply your technical knowledge and skills, and you'll be able to compete with different people and different teams from all parts of the country. And here you'll have to complete some key challenges. So this is the third edition of Flipkart Grid, and it has become much more bigger and better this time. This time they are bringing live problem statements from the world of e-commerce to bring out the brightest minds of India, and this will let you put your capabilities to the ultimate test. So the third edition of Grid will have 3 different tracks for the participants, like the software development track, the information security track, and the robotics tracks. So you'll have to choose one of the 3 tracks before registering for this competition. Each track will have multiple elimination rounds to test you on your technical, analytical, and ideation skills before the grand finale, and the finalists will get to present the solutions to the panel of domain experts at Flipkart. One point to be noted here is that one team or students can choose only one of the 3 tracks, and the students of batch 2021 are not eligible to participate in this competition. Now, the rewards and prizes that you will be getting upon completing these challenges. So the winning team will get a prize pool of rupees 6 lakhs. The top teams from each track will get grid goodies, and all top performing students will get PPI opportunities, tech internships, and a chance to appear for Flipkart hiring process. A certificate of merit will be given to all top performing teams in each track. Here you can see that there are 3 challenges: the software development challenge, information security challenge, and the robotics challenge. So you can choose any one of these 3 challenges based upon your choice and interest, and just register for it. So we'll be discussing about each of these challenges one by one. Let's start with software development challenge. So the registrations for the software development challenge has been started, and the deadline is 8th of July. The team size to register for this challenge is 2 to 3 members, and the registration is free. So there are 4 levels, as you can see here. The first level is of e-commerce and tech quiz, where every team will get a set of questions to be answered within 30 minutes. It will be based on e-commerce and technology. For furthermore details, you can just click on this details here and just see the rules and general information about this level 1. So all the registered teams can play this quiz, and there is no negative marking. All the decisions in the matter of eligibility will be with dare to compete on Flipkart. Only the team leader will give the quiz. Every team will get a set of 35 questions to be answered within 30 minutes. All teams will be taking this quiz, and every team will be ranked based on accuracy and speed. So the general information about this level 1, like the quiz duration will be 30 minutes. The total number of questions will be 35. All questions will appear at once, and you will be able to browse through all the questions. Only the team leader, the person who registered for the team, will be able to play the quiz. And now the qualifying teams from level 1 will be given a problem statement according to the domain area of interest selected after level 1. So they'll have to make submissions before the deadline of this round, and for furthermore details you can just click on details here. And the qualifying teams from level 2 will work on idea submission and will develop a proof of concept demo video and code submission as well. So all the finalists will be invited to showcase their solutions to the panel of domain experts at Flipkart and the level 4. So the eligibility for this software development challenge is that this competition is open to students pursuing BTech, BE, MTech programs across all engineering colleges in India of batch 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025. Student must register in teams of 2 to 3 members. The batch of student 2021 is not eligible to participate in this competition. The participating students can be of any specialization like computer science, electronics, anything. They should be full-time students from same engineering college. One person cannot be a member of more than one team. And the stages in this software development track will have 3 elimination rounds to test you on your technical, analytical and ideation skills before the grand finale. And after the round 1, you will have to choose 2 preferences out of these 4 problem statements. And the important dates and deadlines for this software development challenge, like the registration deadline is 8th of July, and you just can see all this. I'll provide you the link of this website. And the rewards and prizes for this software development challenge, like the winner will be getting 1,50,000, the first runner up will be getting 75,000, and so on. The participation certificate will be given to all the participants. And now let's see about the information security challenge. So the registrations have been started for this challenge, and the deadline is 8th of July. The team size is 2 to 3 members, and the registration is free. So in this information security challenge, there are 3 levels that you need to clear. So in the first level, you'll have e-commerce and tech quiz. Every team will get a set of questions to be answered within 30 minutes. And for further more details, you can just click on details here. The qualifying teams from level 1 will be given a problem statement according to the domain area of interest they selected after level 1. So the qualifying teams from level 2 will be going to final round, and the finalists will be invited to showcase their solutions to the panel of domain experts at Flipkart. So the eligibility is same as we saw in the software development challenge, and the stages here are like there'll be 2 to 3 elimination rounds to test your technical, analytical and ideation skills before the grand finale. And the problem overview, the information security track will allow you to choose 2 preferences out of these 3 statements. And you can just see the important dates and deadlines here. Registration deadline is 8th of July, and the prizes for this round, like winner will be getting 1,50,000, first runner up will be getting 75,000, and so on. Now let's see about the robotics challenge. So the deadline for this robotics challenge is 8th of July, and the team size is 2 to 15 members, and the registration is free. So in this robotics challenge, there'll be 3 rounds. First elimination round 1, elimination round 2, and the finale round. So in the elimination round 1, all the teams need to start building a bot as per the problem statement. And in the elimination round 2, they'll have to improvise their bots, and the finalists will be invited to showcase their solutions to the panel of domain experts at Flipkart in the finale round. So the eligibility is same that we saw in previous 2 challenges, and the stages in the robotic track will be like they'll have 2 elimination rounds to test you on your technical, analytical and ideation skills before the grand finale, and the finalists will get to present their solutions to the panel of domain experts at Flipkart. The participants are expected to build their own robot, both hardware and software, in this robotic challenge. So you can just see the important dates and deadlines for this robotic challenge, and the prizes for this robotics challenge is same. Like the winner will be getting 1,50,000, the first runner up will be getting 75,000, and the rest 8 teams under top 10 will get 2,40,000. So this is all about Flipkart Flagship Engineering Campus Challenge. This is a wonderful opportunity for all the engineering students of batch 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025. So don't miss this opportunity and do apply for this. That's it for this video. Do like the video and share it among your friends, and also subscribe the channel for further more updates on internships and jobs. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.